Hey everyone. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a property inside HubSpot using the full 2026 setup. Custom properties are one of the most powerful features in HubSpot because they let you store the exact data your business needs, whether it's preferences, custom statuses, onboarding steps, or anything else you want to track. So first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click Login, and sign into your account. Once your dashboard loads, we're ready to begin. Start by clicking the Settings icon in the top right corner. On the left sidebar, scroll down to the Data Management section and click Properties. This page shows all properties currently available for contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. At the top of the screen, choose which object your new property belongs to. If you want to track information about people, choose Contacts. If it relates to businesses, choose Companies. For sales pipelines, choose Deals, and for support, choose Tickets. Now click the Create Property button. A panel opens where you can enter the basic details. Add your property label. This is the name your team will see. Choose the group where the property should live so everything stays organized. Then add a short description explaining what this property tracks and how it should be used. Next, choose the field type. HubSpot gives you a lot of options. Single line text, number, drop-down select, multiple checkboxes, radio button, date picker, and more. Pick the type that fits your data. For example, if you want people to choose from fixed values, use drop-down or radio. If you want them to select multiple options, use checkboxes. If your field type requires options, add them now. You can type each option manually or reorder them to control how they appear in forms and filters. Once everything looks good, click the Create button. Your property is now active. After creating it, you can use this property inside forms, workflows, contact records, filters, lists, and even dashboards. Custom properties make your CRM smarter and help your team collect and use meaningful information. And that's it. That's how to create a property in HubSpot using the 2026 setup. With the right properties, you can customize HubSpot exactly for your business needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.